Let's talk a little bit about paid marketing, since that is a lot of your expertise. How do you guys approach paid on social and then also on search?
We have to be ruthless in our attention to detail. There's so many keywords. It's really easy to experience this death by 1,000 cuts situation where you're just losing a little bit of money across 100,000 keywords that only get one click a month. And if you're not paying attention to all the tiny little opportunities, it winds up drowning your whole account. So the most important thing for paid search is you kind of have to be OCD about maintaining the appropriate bids and destination URLs and ads and structure. And then on Facebook, it's kind of more like the Wild West, where we're trying very systematic strategies, but at the same time, we're trying things that are totally unheard of, that we've never read about, that we've never tried before, because those things can sometimes take off and just, they'll just take off. Like, they'll do double what the channel's revenue had done in the previous 2 weeks in a single day if you hit on the right thing on Facebook.
Yeah, that's so interesting that I feel like your approach to search is like scientific and very, very exact, whereas Facebook is much more creative. Like, is that really what it's like?
Yeah. And so when we first started Facebook, there were a lot of growing pains because we tried to execute the same scientific and precise methodology that we used on paid search on Facebook, but we weren't seeing any results. We were getting like one-to-one ROI on all of our paid spend, all our paid Facebook. And then we started to break that out of desperation. Like, well, what can we possibly try to get it to work? And that's where we've kind of developed this really loose system that we have going now.